Have you ever looked at your landlord and thought, wow, this guy owns how many properties? Meanwhile, you're counting the change in your wallet, hoping it's enough for a coffee. Well, today we are fixing that. In this video, we are talking real estate, how to go from paying rent to building wealth, one step at a time. What exactly is real estate? In simple terms, it's a property, land, buildings, or even airspace that you can own, rent, or invest in. And the best part, real estate isn't just for the ultra wealthy. With the right mindset and a bit of knowledge, it's something anyone can use to build long-term wealth. Let's start with why real estate is such a big deal. Think of it like the go-to choice for investing. It's timeless, it's reliable, and there's just something satisfying about being able to say, I own property. Here's the thing. Real estate isn't just about owning a house. It's about building wealth. Property values tend to increase over time, meaning your investment grows in value. It's about passive income. When you rent out property, you're earning money without constantly working for it. Your property works for you. And it comes with tax benefits. The government actually encourages real estate investment because it helps the economy. You can deduct mortgage interest, property taxes, and even some maintenance costs, which can lower your overall tax bill. Alright, let's talk game plan. Here is your beginner-friendly blueprint to kickstart your journey into real estate. Step 1. Figure out your goals. Ask yourself, do you want to buy your dream home, or are you more interested in investing in rental properties? Even if your goal is simply to buy a house, keep in mind that real estate can still be a wealth building tool. Over time, the value of your property could increase and your equity will grow. Step 2. Check your finances. Let's get real. Houses are expensive. You'll need a down payment, which is usually 3 to 20% of the home price. You'll need to take care of the closing costs, and you need to have a good credit score. If your credit score is looking like a bad test grade, focus on improving that first. Step 3. Start small. You don't need to buy a mansion right away. Think about starter homes, duplexes, or even house hacking. House hacking means buying a multi-unit property where you live in one unit of the property and rent out the rest. That's like having your tenants pay for your mortgage, or at least some of it. Now comes the fun part, shopping. But this isn't like buying shoes online. You can't just return a house because it doesn't fit. So let's make sure you're shopping smart. Here's what to keep in mind. Location. Super important. Look for areas with good schools, low crime rates, and strong job markets. Basically, find places where people actually want to live. Get pre-approved for a home loan. It's like getting your financial permission slip. When you're pre-approved, sellers will take you more seriously. Plus, you'll know exactly how much house you can afford without accidentally going broke. Work with a real estate agent. Consider them as your GPS in the wild forest of the housing market. They will help you find the right place, negotiate prices, and avoid rookie mistakes along the way. Alright, you found your dream house. What's next? Closing the deal. Basically, signing enough paperwork to make your hand cramp. Here's what happens next. Before you get too excited, the lender will usually require a home appraisal. This is where an expert appraiser comes in to ensure the house is worth the price you're paying. If the appraisal comes in low, it can affect the loan amount or even make you rethink the deal. Make sure the house doesn't come with any surprise issues, like a haunted attic or plumbing from the 1800s. If the inspection reveals problems, you can ask the seller to fix them or lower the price. And then, congrats! You're officially a homeowner. Time to celebrate, responsibly of course. Maybe skip the housewarming party that could get you evicted. Before we wrap up, here are some rapid-fire tips to save you from common beginner mistakes. Don't overpay. Just because it has a cute kitchen doesn't mean it's worth $100,000 over budget. Budget for maintenance, because let's face it, something will break. Guaranteed. Learn to love YouTube tutorials. You'd be surprised to know how much money you can save fixing things yourself. Stay curious and keep learning. Real estate is always evolving, and knowledge will give you the upper hand in making smart decisions. Alright, that's real estate for beginners in a nutshell. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more tips to level up your finances. And remember, you don't have to be a millionaire to start investing. You just need to take that first step. See you in the next one.